beautiful.
What if he doesn't like us?
That would be so sad.
We should go home.
We're not going home!
I think we have a 47.2% chance of success.
Does Riley even like him?
Of course she does. Just look at him.
Ew, his ears are way too big.
Let's just go home. This is ridiculous.
No, we can't. This is such a big day for Riley.
Hello, Jordan.
Checkmate.
Wait, what's her name again?
Jody.
Duh. Sammy, I think.
I don't know. What if I'm wrong?
She probably doesn't even have a day.
Riley, I am 2% certain.
Nope, it's absolutely Ricky.
That's not even a compliment!
There. Hello. Girl. I have a name, you know. It's Riley.
He doesn't even seem to remember Riley's name.
Everyone makes mistakes. Give him a second chance.
This boy's only mistakes. Slap him. How can he forget Riley's name?
Yeah, but there's only one problem. What if he slaps us back?
Hi, you two. Would you like to buy some cookies?
Yeah, they're totally delicious.
I'm good. Thanks. Cookies. Oh, yes. Please. I want some cookies.
Do you think that he's actually gonna pay like a real gentlebot? It's so sad. I hope he will. There's an 80% chance he won't pay.
Oh, what if he gets mad at Riley for wanting him to pay? What if he yells? I don't think I can take that.
Oh, come on, guys. Cookies will make her happy.
Well, who even likes cookies anyway?
We only have $2 left, and we're saving up for that video game. What if those cookies are poison? They'll certainly taste gross anyways.
What if the cookies are poisoned or something?
The probability of poisoned cookies is very low. Let's get him to try them first. With any luck, big poison.
Well, what if he died? Oh no, oh no, oh no.
That would be sad. Riley would cry. Whatever. If he dies, he dies.
Come on, guys. He's not gonna die.
Would you be a gentlebot then? And try one first?
Our cookies are totally not poison.
They're great, in fact. They're organic.
See? They are fine. Ah, yes. Okay. Well, aren't you going to pay? I wasn't planning to. Oh, the nerve, the gall, the indignation, the disgrace, the horror, the absolute horror. Fine, I'll buy my own cookies then, and eat them far away from you. I don't want to see you again. Goodbye, and thank you very much.